Today we're diving into everything you need to know about the best Westpac joint account. Westpac offers a range of options for couples, families, and business partners looking to manage their money together efficiently. A joint account allows two or more people to share access to the same account, making it easier to handle household expenses, bills, or savings goals. Westpac's most popular joint account is the Westpac Choice account. It provides easy access to your money through ATMs, online banking, and the Westpac app. The account comes with a low monthly fee of $5, which can be waived if you maintain a minimum daily balance of $2,000. The account also includes unlimited transactions, so you won't be charged for everyday spending like debit card purchases, online transfers, or BPAY payments. Another key feature is the ability to set up separate savings goals within the same account. Both account holders can track spending, monitor balances, and receive real-time alerts for deposits and withdrawals. This transparency helps both parties stay on top of their finances. Westpac also offers a competitive interest rate on balances above $5,000, which can add up over time when combined with a joint savings strategy. There are additional perks, such as no fees for overseas ATM withdrawals in certain countries and convenient mobile banking features like Pay ID and Apple Pay. Setting up a Westpac joint account is straightforward. Both parties need to provide identification and meet Westpac's account requirements. Once the account is open, linking external accounts, scheduling payments, and managing bills becomes seamless. A Westpac joint account is an efficient, secure, and flexible solution for managing shared finances. It's designed to make day-to-day banking easier while offering tools to help you save and track spending together. For couples or partners who want a clear view of their money and easy access to funds, the Westpac joint account stands out as a top choice.